Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Fans. Another one of our bespoke styled Volkswagen 7th generation Transporter to preview today. This one is the Commerce Pro, so top of the range model. It's the 170 PS, so the high engine output, 170 brake horsepower. It's the 2-litre diesel automatic gearbox. It's a 2626 delivery mileage, brand new, registered to us vehicle. It's finished in the stunning stone grey, and it's had our full gloss black pack styling, a bespoke skirt spoiler kit, and some fantastic 20-inch gloss black alloys, red brake calipers, etc, etc. So what I will do, I'll walk around the vehicle starting at the front, point out some of the additional factory options, and we'll be live on our website with a full specification shortly. Okay, so I'll start from the front. It's had the gloss black detailing to the front grille, gloss and matte badging. Our signature MASV badging can be removed, but we like them, think it looks great. Now it's had this lower front colour coded and gloss black front splitter, brand new splitter to the market, this one. Really pleased on how it looks. If you can imagine, it's a delivery mileage vehicle, so no chips or anything on the paintwork. Paintwork as new. It's had the mirrors fully gloss blacked and the surrounds. It's got the cameras in the side mirrors, so full aerial view cameras. Gloss black 20-inch alloys with Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres, so premium tyres on there. Red painted calipers. Running from the front splitter, you've got the matching side skirts, which are again body colour and gloss black. Really make the van stylish. Fitted on lowering springs as well, so 30mm lowering springs. Not too low, so it still gives that comfort ride, and also with this being a panel van, it gives you the low carrying capacity. So it's got the LED rear lights, so the exclusive rear lights. Fantastic rear diffuser. Now this one is what we call the barn door model. So it's got twin rear loading doors, gloss black roof spoiler, gloss and matte badging. This little indentation on the door handle, this one's got keyless access as well. Side skirt to match. Side loading door, of course. Show you the interior as I'm going around the vehicle. Okay, so into the driver's side. So our bespoke leather Alcantara red stitched interior, all premium leather. Has the captain seat, of course, on the driver's side. This being a panel van's got the dual passenger seat, all trimmed, ready to go. Now the steering wheel is not complete yet, but it is having a flat bottomed sports, again red stitch to match the seats, leather perforated steering wheel, so that'll all be done prior to collection. This one's also got the style pack as well, which gives you this titanium finish on the doors, door handles, right across the dashboard, gloss black detailing there, and the gloss black around the binnacle. Very, very highly spec'd, these Pro models, so adaptive cruise control, LED headlights, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, push button start, column gear change, auto lights, folding mirrors. Really, really great spec. Again, being panel van, it's got the solid bulkhead in there. Does have a flap at the bottom of the bulkhead, give you that extra load length. So, solid bulkhead, LED load lights. Do have facilities for ply lining, etc. If you wanted to use it as a van, had customers buy these for camper conversion, combi conversion, all different options. Just show you there as well, it's got the reverse camera, front and rear park sensors. So that flap there, that's your extra load length under the dual passenger seat. Just on this side as well. So again, it gives you the titanium finish right across the dashboard. Plenty of storage in these new transporters. A box lower down, wireless car play, phone charging, USBs, etc, etc. Got the clipboard holder, folds down armrest. There we go, 2626 7th generation Volkswagen Transporter, delivery mileage, 170 PS Commerce Pro automatic gearbox diesel engine, 5-year roadside assistance, 5 free services, 5-year warranty and 3 free MOTs, all come with a vehicle part of Volkswagen's 5+ promise. Bespoke styled, ready immediately for its new owner driveway, etc. Certainly give myself Chris a call, 07888 989877. Happy to do you a WhatsApp walk round video, answer any questions, usual dealer facilities, funding options, part exchange, etc, etc. Be live on our website www.justnicevans.co.uk, and all's left to say is please like our YouTube channel, subscribe, etc, etc. Look for us on Facebook, Instagram. Lovely to get some more followers on there, and certainly enjoy your day. Thanks for watching, speak to you soon, bye for now.